So hello mga chaps, it's time for me to go. Medyo maulan pero we're now going to LU. And I have my coffee here with me. So may coffee tayo. Long drive. Goodbye everyone. Long drive tayo, okay? Bye. And yan na po ang bahay. So that will be, paalis na rin tayo mga bebs. Bye-bye, because we're leaving na. Bye, house. I'll see you again after 2 weeks. 2 weeks kasi magre-resupply tayo ng pag naubos ang ating siomai. Okay? Bye, everybody.